mai e a te tipua, mai e a te tawhito, mai e a te kāhui o ngā riki, mai e a tawhiwhi ki a rangi. Tīkina atu rā te pūtake o ngā kōrero te wānanga, tīkina atu rā te hautapu o ngā riki. Kauwhatatia e tāne te wānanga ki runga ki e nei pūkenga e nei wānanga. E nei tauira ki runga ki tēnei kaupapa ki a koe i te matapunenga maiangi te matapui hui huka whakamau ki a tīna hui e tā iki e.
So when you are a globally facing business, pōtikitanga is talking about your innovation, your curiosity, about how you're daring to be different.
It is adventurous spirit. It is ingenuity.
It's reliving sort of those childhood traits that we had when we weren't afraid to do anything. We just went out there and we did it.
We have no limits. The limits are only in our minds, and let's find new ways of solving old problems and old ways of solving new problems.
We have ingenuity that allows us to be creative and bring it to the world.
There's an entrepreneurial spirit that exists in New Zealand, and Kiwis want to get things done.
Look outside, look inside, tip it upside down.
We think outside the box and then just get on with it.
Ko te pōtikitanga, kai aia ngā momo, pūkenga katoa e putai tanaihu. Mā te koi o tōna hinengaro ka ora aia.
Te Aki is about caring for our environment and caring for our people and our generations to come.
Which is good for business, good for Aotearoa, and good for the world.
Particularly here in New Zealand, we've got this beautiful country, and having that for our future generations is incredibly important.
It's really understanding the importance of guardianship, our responsibility to our land and to our future generations.
他们对自己的环境非常的保护，是一个真正的一个生态友好型的国家。
It's a whole ecosystem of care. It's not just what we do onshore, it's how that extends offshore.
Mauiwi whenua, mauiwi tangata. Oranga whenua, oranga tangata. If our planet is well, our people are well, therefore our place in the world is well.
Manaaki is about that extension of hospitality and generosity in a way that fosters reciprocity.
It is who we are as Kiwis of New Zealand, is to look after and welcome all walks of life.
私たち家族を快く迎え入れてくれて。
When we Manaaki people, we want to draw them into our world and for them to understand that they can bring all of themselves.
To make them feel at home, to make them remember you by the way that you looked after them and embraced them. Pono is being genuine. Pono is being honest. Pono is acting with integrity.
It's about honesty, transparency, and having that in everything that you do.
It's about trust, and it's about doing things the right way.
It is also being true to whatever you are doing.
Saying what you're going to do and doing what you say. Pono is the ultimate test of integrity.
Doing business with New Zealand is a pleasure. I mean, it's uncomplicated, it's simple, and it's built on trust.
For me, there's nothing more important in business than being pono.
Ka whātoro atu a Aotearoa ki te ao, maroto mai I te whakamahi I enei uara, ka haere mai te ao ki Aotearoa.